Hi, I'm Allie and this is Allie's Corner. Today we're going to be talking about fractions. We're going to learn how to add, subtract, and multiply fractions, and when you have to use the least common denominator. Let's take a look at some sample problems. Our first problem is 3/4 plus 1/2. You look at the bottom two numbers, 4 and 2, and they don't match. You can't add or subtract numbers when the bottom denominators don't match. For 1/2 and 3/4, the least common denominator is 4. So you multiply 1/2 by 1, but you put it in this form. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so this is perfectly legal. But now you have 3/4 plus 2/4. Now, since the denominators are the same, you can solve this problem easily. You add the top two numbers, 3 and 2, and you get 5/4 as your answer. The second problem is similar. 5/6 minus 2/9. You look again at the bottom two numbers, and 6 and 9 are not the same, so you have to do something to change them before you can subtract. So, with least common denominators, 6 and 9 is 18. That's 9 times 2 over 2, and 6 is times 3 over 3. You're multiplying both these numbers by 1, but now, when you look at the problem, you have the same numbers on the bottom. 15 minus 4 is 11. So you get your answer of 11/18. Now, when you multiply numbers, it's different. You don't have to find a least common denominator, but you can cross-cancel if you want to make it simpler. This problem is 4/7 times 7/8. It's a multiplication problem. So you look and you see that you can cross these 7's out, because when you multiply them together, they're just going to cross out at the end anyway. So now you have 4 times 1 over 1 times 8. And you get 4/8, and then you can reduce that down to 1/2. So remember, when you're adding and subtracting fractions, you have to find a least common denominator. When you're multiplying, you can cross-cancel to make it simpler. That's all for now. See you next time on Allie's Corner.